Some of them weights.
Some of the area.
Some of the area times x bar divided by
Some of the area.
some of the area. Armando?
Volume?
Right. Some of the
Some of the volume times x bar.
divided by,
Some of the volume.
good. And then in terms of units, JJ, what was the unit here for this? Remember we called this is a moment, right? This is the moment of mass. Actually, give me the terms, JJ. Moment of mass, this is the moment of
All the checks. Wait.
weight.
Moment of area.
The moment of area. And the last one,
Moment of volume.
moment of volume. And is it the first moment or the second moment?
First.
They're all the first moment. First moment, first moment, first moment, first moment. Brandon, what were the units? What was the units of the first moment of mass? Give me an example.
So,
What's the unit of mass?
kilogram,
Good, and what's the unit of length?
meters.
Good. So kilogram meter was one example of a unit. That's the unit for the first moment of mass. Elliot, how about the first moment of weight?
Foot pound.
Foot pounds. Andrew? First moment of area. So it's area times length. Good. Kelly? Foot to the fourth. Correct. Okay, so this is what we looked at on Thursday. Okay, so this is dealing with center of mass, center of gravity, centroid of area, and centroid of volume. And then we talked about going from the first moment, we could go to the second moment. Do you remember which two? Paul, do you remember which two of these four had a second moment?
I want to say,
Just check, take a guess.
not remember.
Take a guess.
Centroid. No,
Yeah, which one? Area or volume?
this is the area.
Good, that's right. So there's a second moment of area, and then, David, I think I skipped you an error. Second moment, what's the other one that there was a second moment of? Remember? The true moment of inertia, it's the distribution of what? Mass. So the second moment, this one is really called moment of inertia. It's the true moment of inertia. Well, I'm not going to put it in quotes. It's the true moment of inertia, but it's been accepted to call this guy a moment of inertia as well. Accepted, accepted. Eric W. If first moment of mass is kilograms times meters, do you remember how we go from the first moment to the second moment? How do you go from a force to a moment? What do you do to the force? Give you another length. Right, so it would be kilograms, so the unit of this is kilogram meters squared. And then Eric, why don't you do this one too? How about the second moment of area? We're looking at area, what kind of units are we going to look at here?
Right. Fourth.
Right to the fourth. And we already looked at a couple examples that where we would use them in engineering. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start doing some problems. up if